Hey guys, we are coming back with another episode today. We never talked about this before in its entirety as a separate episode. It's a Kindle publishing, Amazon has a Kindle publishing ebook. It's called KDP, Kindle Publishing, Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP.amazon.com, right? That's the one that we are going to talk about today. But there are so many other avenues if you want to publish ebooks. Today we wanted to focus on like what kind of topics you can cover on your ebooks, right? And also how do you go about publishing it within Kindle? Kindle is a platform. It's available within Amazon. It's totally free for anybody can publish it. You just have to write something about it, right? Like probably it doesn't have to be a 100 pages book. It can be like 2-3 pages book. It can be just a PDF, like maybe 2 pages, right? It can be even love letter. If you wrote a love letter and it's still lying around, just write up and
Right.
type it up, everything. And if it's already in the email, just copy and paste and create an ebook out of it, right? You can do so much opportunity out there. Like it doesn't have to be, nonfiction or fiction.
Mm.
It doesn't have to be some academic related, business related, like anything that can be an ebook.
So, for an example, when we talk about various topics on in our YouTube channel, right? If you can put it onto a script, like if you can write it, like let's say we do a 10-minute video, and if you and I can get together, or you or me can put together a kind of a script that we just talked about, and we can put it in the Kindle and sell it on Amazon. Is that my
Exactly.
understanding
Yeah, yeah.
right?
There is an app. There are apps like you can transcribe the talk.
Yeah.
When you transcribe, what happens is that whatever the talk, anybody, like say if somebody is talking in YouTube, you want to get a text out of it, whatever
Yeah.
they talk.
Exactly what I
There
meant.
is a
Yeah.
you can transcribe them, uh, and you just have to add some extension, Google extension, right? Once you have them, you can transcribe them, have a text. You may have to edit them, you may have to just open in Word, right? Just to open everything in Word and start editing them. That's one way. Another way, just type them up by yourself in Word, right? And then just the only thing is you need to reformat it in a better looking way if you want it to be selling a lot, right? You want
Right.
the end goal is you want to sell that a lot.
Yeah.
So Amazon likes to put that I think 299 to 999. If you keep the price in that range, they give you 70% commission. Let's say 999, right? You put the book for 999, Kindle book, right? It's an ebook, so you don't have to publish any. Like
Yeah.
you can publish it right now once you have the content, right? Then if you put 999, you are going to get I think 699, right? 70%.
It's pretty cool because you don't have any publishing expenses or nothing. It's just free stuff,
Right.
right? What you already know, what you probably already written, and get money out of it. That's cool. That's good. And the
Yes.
important thing, the reason why I asked the question is because I was under the impression that it has to be a like a book material, like a 70-page or 50-page
No.
kind of thing. So
No, not really. No, you can actually, the funny part is you don't need to even write the book.
yeah,
So
yeah,
there
that's
are
right.
ghostwriters. There are
Right.
ghostwriters out there. They
Yeah,
can write you. You just have to give them a topic.
yeah.
They will write it for you. And there are
So
sites like Upwork.com
okay,
or Fiverr.com.
Fiverr.
Those are the sites. You just go there and
Yeah.
search for a ghostwriter, and you just have to tell them a topic, maybe romance topic if you wanted to have it, or business related topic or motivational topic.
Yeah.
uh,
So it's pretty cool. The reason is multiple topics, and it doesn't have to be necessarily a 50-page or 100-page book. It can be anything that you've already written. Okay, so that's the takeaway. If you don't take anything out of this, at least take away that point.
right, exactly. And the easy thing is, like, if you go to Pinterest.com, right, just look for 100 things to do, 100 things, just type in, right, you'll get a lot of topics on it. that could be your book title. Like just put even a Google, right? Google, just go to Google, 100 things, just type it and there's so many title will come up, right?
Yeah.
That's your title. That's going to be your title. If you don't know anything, that's how you easily like, find out. But I would say that if you are interested, if you know something like your field of expertise, you probably know, you've probably done a long time, just pick that related topic. At least you like you can easily research it a little bit, yeah, and then just try to do it simple one in the beginning, right? Maybe 10 different ways you can start a business. That's
Yeah.
your ebook.
Right.
That's it. And just go Google it and find out multiple topics. Don't plagiarize things from other people's. Take it, code to code, the same thing. But try to understand the concept. You can actually, there's nothing stopping you to take it from, concept. Take the concept from multiple people and just mix them up and come up with a newer one, right?
Yeah.
And then just that's how everybody writes it. Mostly they refer multiple things and then they just combine them, put their thought process, and then write it up in their own way, in their own sentence, and then you're done. Like on top of this, there's an easy way to do. If you have a Google Docs, just go to docs.google.com, right? Website, and there is, you can just talk. It'll write. There is a button to talk. You just click that button in your computer, and then you can just start talking. Whatever you're talking, it's getting typed in. So that's more easier way if you don't want to type it.
Right. I
Yes.
think that will be easier, and most of us would try that, right?
Right, yeah.
Does it cost? Like, how much would it be? Like, is it worth?
It's free. Everything is free. Yeah. Yes. Whatever we are talking about today is all free. Uh, just go ahead. Yeah.
Oh no, I was going to ask you, Venkat. You mentioned about a price, right? When you put something on Kindle, Amazon Kindle, it'll be priced between $2.99 to $9.99. I mean, it
That's like a
doesn't.
70% commission. But if you go below 299, most people put it like 99 cents to
Okay.
start with, right?
Yeah.
Or sometimes even $0 if you are a Prime member. That's just a promotional most of the time. Like when people wanted to get some reviews, right? Let's say you want to get reviews in the beginning.
In the beginning,
Nobody will
you're
buy
not
without a
focusing on
review.
the money yet. You want some good reviews. So okay.
Right. When you do a 99 cents, they will only give you 30%. Anything below 299, anything above 999, they'll only give, I think, 30% of commission.
So that's the catch. Okay.
So they're trying to keep the price low,
Yeah.
299 to
I
999.
mean, if you're starting, why not stay within that range and get the 70% commission, right? At the same time, you might get some good reviews too, right?
Exactly. Yeah, I would put 299. I would
Yeah.
actually start with 299,
Yeah.
and maybe every weekend. Like I know for the fact that Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Friday evening or Saturday, Sunday, more people start buying in Amazon.
Okay.
I've been
Oh,
selling.
that's a good point. That's a good point because people
Right.
are relaxed after a heavy load of work
Just reduce
week,
the
right? You
price
said
to
Friday, Saturday,
99
Sunday.
cents
Yeah.
during the time, right?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's right.
And then increase it again. So just play around, but the main goal is for you is to get like one book a week or something,
Yeah.
one book a month. If you don't have anything else to do, you can actually write one book a day. This is like so simple.
And when you say write, you can use that Google Docs for free and kind of type it itself, right? So
Right. Yeah, I just have to keep talking. Like maybe
yeah, and it
1
goes like
hour every day. You can just write like 10 pages.
yeah, very nice, easy peasy.
Right. Yeah, I think we covered almost everything, right? Just
Yeah.
idea behind this business. This is a business, guys. Like you need to think like a business. Then only you'll be serious. Like even though you might be doing this as a side job, side gig, but this is like think about like you publish, let's say 10, 12 books in a year, right? 12 ebooks. And you never know, like some people actually makes like around $10,000 a month, but they publish like hundreds of them, right? They have hundreds of them, but some of them actually have like only few, but they have been selling like lot because of that
So it's
concept.
about the content sometimes,
Right,
right?
content, right, right. And the business related books sells a lot, like business or the investing related books.
Right.
So think about it, and you can write any niche, but once you publish it, you can also promote in your Instagram or other feeds. Just start promoting that. That way you get more sales.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Venkat, for sharing that. And again, when we say book, it's not necessarily a 50 page, 100-page thing. It can even be just one page, something quality wise, it has to be where it's supposed to be. And you can start slow and low, like you said, to within that range, you can stay within the 299 or 999 to get the maximum amount of commission plus great reviews. So it's a great point, Venkat. Thank you so much for sharing, and thank you for sticking with us. And until next time, it's goodbye from us.
Thank you, guys.